What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to transfer crypto from Binance to CoinDCX. So, it's really simple, but I want you to keep up with the rest of the video and not miss anything. So, first, you're gonna open your Binance app and then click on Spot, then click on Withdraw. After that, you want to choose the USDT option and then go to CoinDCX app and tap on the plus icon. And after that, I wanted to click on Deposit and choose USDT as your cryptocurrency. After that, they will give you an address. So you're gonna go ahead and copy it, then go to your Binance app again and paste it there. Gonna click continue and choose the amount of USDT you want to deposit, confirm the transaction, and you're all done.